Hi there guys, and welcome to this short platform tour where I want to cover one of my favorite new features in more detail, which is the chart forum. Now the chart forum is a kind of collection of a whole bunch of technical analysis from CMC Markets clients, but also from the CMC Markets global analyst team, and you can actually select it by going to Market Pulse and selecting chart forum like so. As you can see there, I've actually just made it part of my my main layout here, so it's always visible to me. So whenever a new piece of analysis comes in, I get exposed to it. You got the product name, an image of the person who posted it, the date and time, the interval, and the fact obviously that a chart has been attached. You've got the sell and buy price, the real time percentage change, and obviously a synopsis behind the kind of analyst's kind of viewpoint right there. If I just click view chart analysis here, what that'll do is it's going to pop open an Apple chart in this instance, and it will have technical analysis already drawn on there. So I'm just going to make that full screen just for you guys to be able to see. As you can see there's my synopsis right here, and this isn't actually a static screenshot. This is real analysis built into my chart already. I can actually just go ahead and move these around now if I wanted to. I'm just going to move that back in fact. And you notice at the very bottom of the screen there, it says keep this analysis or remove this analysis. So actually I'm just going to remove it, and it's going to go ahead and get rid of the analysis on there. That's just how the chart is. Or I can click right here again, view analysis, and it will update the analysis, you know, the technicals, the support, the resistance, trend lines, everything else on there automatically. Now, as a person who's consuming this information, I've got the ability to comment on there. So I can click comment, write a whole bunch of information there, choose my own projection about where this is going to go ahead and go, and post, and effectively it allows you to build up a community and communicate with other traders. Now, predominantly, I'm seeing a lot of traders utilize this as just a way to look for new technical trade setups, and it is something that I think can be quite beneficial for many traders out there. As you can see, if I scroll down there, there's a whole bunch of other analysis from other traders on the SPX 500, the US small cap. There's literally analysis on everything you can think of, mainly covering a lot of the major FX pairs. There's equities that are covered, American and UK. As you can see there's a US 30 piece of analysis that I had done on there earlier on, but you've got a real wide breadth of technical and charting setups from a wide variety of different analysts on there. Again, if I just make that full screen on there, you can see a little bit more detail as to what the setup is right there. If you want to post your own content, of course, so this is on the US 30, all you have to do is click on the post button. Imagine this as your own analysis. You click on here to capture your chart, type in what it is that you want to type in. You can give a projection if you think it's going to go lower, higher, or sideways. As a CFD analyst, we can't give any advice at all, so I always have to select this, but you guys at home can select anything else you want. There's a maximum of 240 characters. Then you click post, and it's as easy as that, guys. Now, obviously, you actually have to go ahead and create a profile. If you left click down here, you can see that my profile is already created. Give yourself a profile name. You can upload a picture or take a picture of yourself on your webcam. Select your specific region, and then in your instance it would click OK. On mine it says modify, and it's really as easy as that to go ahead and start posting your own content. Now, this will get updated regular times throughout the day. Obviously, if you want to go ahead and create your own content, that's absolutely fine. One thing that we're trying to do is do give a little bit of a synopsis as to where you think the market's going, and try and do a little bit of technical analysis if you want to do so yourself. So if you want to do your own analysis, I'm just going to maximize dollar yen right there. Again, just click this little icon right here. That will launch the chart forum, and then simply click post, capture your chart, enter in your details, and then click post. And it really is as simple as that. And hopefully you guys at home will find this tool quite beneficial. If you do have any feedback on the chart forum, please feel free to go to support and then go to feedback, and you can just let us know if you like this, if it needs improvement, whatever else you want. And it's also worth noting, whenever you've got a product on any watch list or product library or anything else like that at all, when you've got that drop down menu, you can launch the chart forum specific to that product directly from there. So it is visible in every one of your drop-down menus, and hopefully it will give you a little bit of support to help you make the right type of trading decisions going forward. And thank you very much for listening, and remember to catch up with more of our platform tours on our YouTube page.